Hey everyone, I'm so glad you're here today. I'm Jenny Prochko from owls&indigo, and I make videos about journaling with the moon, spirituality, mental health, and goal setting. This is going to be the full moon check-in for the 8th moon of the year. The theme this month is Receive Abundance, and that is because we are in the first harvest. For my full moon check-in, I always ask myself two things. What have I succeeded in this lunar month, and what can I improve? Because there's always things that we can improve on, whether we're actually on top of our goals and we've gotten everything done. There's definitely like little things along the way that we could have done better. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this full moon check-in. One of my goals was to schedule time in my planner to make time to sit down and actually do some of my goals and work on my goals. And I got those scheduled, got them down. But unfortunately, throughout the flow of each day, I had to shift things around and it just didn't work a couple of days. A couple of days I actually had to push it to the next day. So there was definitely something I could have done better. I technically achieved one of the 8 steps for my entire goal this month by scheduling it, but I could have done it better. I should have taken into account the workload that I had and everything that I had to do in the 3 pillars of my life, which are personal, home, and my business, and I just didn't think about that. And I should have. So that's something that I'm going to be improving on throughout the rest of the month and also in future months. You can catch me over on Instagram, that's where I am most, at owls&indigo, or come over to the website at owls&indigo.com. That's where I share weekly spirituality tips, little tidbits about the moon, and how to move through the lunar phases with your goal setting. Also, mental health and awareness, and my story. Be sure to subscribe so you don't miss anything. I'm so grateful that you chose to spend your time here with me today. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!